Hey guys, it's Jedimanda here, and I have got a super cool unboxing to show you guys. It's a Super Marvel themed unboxing from CafePress. And if you guys don't know who CafePress is, CafePress.com is basically like a giant online gift shop. It's one of those stores that has basically anything and everything you can put on a t-shirt, and a whole bunch of licenses from Bob's Burgers to Marvel. Pretty much a big online gift shop. I can't stress that enough. T-shirt, mugs, totes, all the cool stuff. And they were super kind enough to send me a Marvel themed box for me to open up for you guys to check out some of their cool Marvel wares. How many more times can I say Marvel in this video? I mean, everybody loves Marvel merch, right? Or like maybe like DC people, they might not like Marvel merch. Or maybe they might, who knows? Let's go, let's dive in. Ooh, whatever it takes. Not that I'm emotional about that or anything. Cool stuff! Aww. A lovely note. At CafePress, we are very excited to premiere of Avengers Endgame, and we know you are too. Well, I might be just a tad bit. Here's some awesome Avengers swag for our favorite Marvel cosplayer. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's dig in. First off, awesome coupon code. I'll share that later. And this is cool. Okay, they might have asked me my favorite Marvel characters, and I happen to have told them it was Doctor Strange and Captain Marvel, and they gave me a Doctor Strange tumbler. Look at that. That is cool. And it's like old school Strange, you know, comic book Strange. I really like this and how it opens. I don't know. Okay, I'll figure out how that opens later. But anyways, it's a stainless steel tumbler. Awesome! Doctor Strange themed. A lot of confetti. Oh shit, it went everywhere. Oh, cool. Looks like we got a tote. One can never have enough totes, in my opinion. Oh, dang son! Avengers Endgame. I know what I'm sneaking my popcorn and snacks in tomorrow night at the movie. It's gonna be this. Well, that's super cute. Ooh! Sky's Only the Beginning sticker with Captain Marvel on it, because she's best. Love that. And it looks like we got a t-shirt! Incoming t-shirt. Awesome, some swag for me to wear for the premiere and everything, and it's got the Avengers Quantum A on it, which I believe, you know, if we're going quantum hopping, this is what it is. Super cool. Oh, and nice and super soft. Oh, I like. Right now, they actually have a 25% off final order coupon code, and it's on their website. It's a spring code, and I will link it here or put it in the video here somewhere for you guys to find it and go check it out. Definitely go support CafePress. This is like the coolest gift I've ever gotten. I mean, it's Marvel themed. Swing on over to CafePress.com and check out all of their Marvel gear. And of course, we all know Mother's Day is coming up, and whose mom wouldn't want some Marvel swag? I know my mom would. She might actually steal this. She likes Doctor Strange. I mean, who doesn't? Thank you so much, CafePress, for sending me this awesome swag gift. I really appreciate it. Whatever it takes, whatever it takes. I'll do this again for you guys anytime. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing. I'll see you all later. Bye!